Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you free 95 OVR Joe Hart, how to play End of an Era challenge in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how I can challenge the event, how I can complete the quest, so I can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the challenge mode. And as you can see, there are some challenge mode that you can play: daily challenge, weekend challenge, and this one, End of an Era. Previously I create the video about Leandro Bonucci, how you can get Leandro Bonucci, and in this week we got End of an Era Joe Hart. So condition minimum lineup minimum is 65 OVR, so you can get this player Joe Hart with OVR 95. His main attribute is 100 reflexes and 98 positioning and 98 handling. Very good for goalkeeper. For the free player, you can tap entry button. There are total 3 stages. You have to win in quarterfinal match, semi-final match, and then you promote into the final match to claim Joe Hart. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. Enjoy the game.